Okay, so I'm going to talk about the course project that we're going to do. This is going to span the whole course, and the objective that we're meeting here is to create a presentation to communicate evidence-based descriptions. This is going to be of a particular location that you choose, and you're going to utilize primary and scientific sources. So phase one is going to be choosing your location. This could be something that's significant to you. Maybe it's a birthplace, somewhere you want to visit or move to one day, something that has cultural or spiritual significance to you, or just that you want to learn about for some reason. You want it to be narrow enough that the information you find isn't too broad and overwhelming, but you also want it to be broad enough that you're actually going to find good information about this location. And you can refine it along the way if you're having trouble finding information. So an example is if I choose the George Fox University campus, that might be too narrow. I might not find a lot of information about it. But I also don't want to choose Oregon because Oregon has all sorts of different ecosystems and geology or geography formations and all sorts of different areas that will be too broad to cover. So maybe I want to narrow it down to just the city of Newburgh or the Willamette Valley. Okay, so the other thing we're going to do in this phase is have sort of a pre-assessment where you're going to just write about what you already know about this location related to earth science. Okay, the next phase is that every week you're going to learn about and write about the week's topic. So you're going to be focusing on your location, using primary and scientific sources in order to learn about the week's topic related to your specific location. You're going to write about it, and then you're going to keep building on it week after week. Thirdly, finally, we're going to create and record a slideshow presentation. And this is where you're going to find relevant images, where you're going to put in bullet points in order to serve as prompts and a summary of the information that you learned. And then we're going to post it. And in the last phase, we're going to share and learn from the other people in the course. So you're going to be able to view other people's presentation and learn about their location. They're going to be watching yours. And this is going to serve as kind of a celebration and a final assessment at the same time. You should show what you have learned over the course of the whole project about earth science, and you're going to relay that, communicate that in the context of your specific location. So I hope that this project is enjoyable to you. It's a way to put to use and relate the things that we're learning in class to something that you're interested in, so that we can see the learning gains that we make over the whole course.